The appeals court has paused a ruling that allows teachers to out trans students to their parents. This news is from the San Diego Tribune. Critics of the ruling said it appeared to conflict with state law that says public schools can't make teachers notify parents when students' gender presentation changes. Stick around, I'm going to talk about this. A federal appeals court has temporarily paused enforcement of a San Diego federal judge's ruling that had cleared the way for school staff to tell parents about possible changes to their child's gender presentation without the student's consent. The Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals granted a short-term administrative stay of the ruling, but has not yet decided whether to grant a longer-term stay pending an appeal. It's expected to rule on next week. The case is called Mirabelli versus Olson. Began in 2023 when two Escondido Union School District teachers sued over the district's policy based on state guidance at the time, prohibiting employees from disclosing what it called a student's transgender or gender nonconforming status absent the student's consent. That means without the student's consent. The state has said that doing this risks outing a student who may be transgender or gender nonconforming to their parents, creating an unsafe school environment and violating state privacy and non-discrimination laws. So let's discuss this. It is highly dangerous for teachers to out trans children without their consent. Many people do not understand this. So why is this dangerous? The threat of danger for trans youth comes from unsupportive parents. Due to religious cults and religious indoctrination and disinformation from Republicans in the U.S., parents on the right are forcing trans children to go through conversion therapy to try and fix them. I've done many videos on conversion therapy. If you want to learn more, it's a very dangerous practice. But statistically, conversion therapy doesn't work. Suicide rates are already high with trans people due to societal stigma. But after conversion therapy, research and statistics show these kids end up attempting suicide multiple times afterwards. They realize they can't change themselves. So they're faced with the decision to conform to their parents' religious beliefs, be kicked out of their house and family, or commit suicide because they have no support system. Religious extremist parents are the threat here. Conversion therapy is not a treatment or a cure to anything. No major medical associations approve conversion therapy. Most conversion camps don't even have a licensed therapist on staff. It's basically a prison for gay and trans people. That is not love. That is not care for your child. It's abandoning your child and denying their identity completely, which obviously is extremely harmful to children. These children that go through conversion therapy grow up to have serious mental health issues from religious indoctrination, feelings of inadequacy, feelings of low self-worth, depression, oppression, and just not fitting in with their family. If their parents are not supportive and deny the reality of gender identity, which a lot of people on the right do, then these children need to be first and foremost protected from their own parents. And that's why there are laws in place that prevent teachers from outing their students. So this is a good thing that this ruling has been paused. But they haven't made a final decision yet. So thank you for listening. Please like this video, Share this to get this information out there. Leave your comments, and I'll be back very soon with more news. Bye, guys.